Alright, hi, this is Dane, and I'll be talking about what is Bitcoin currently doing at this moment. It's around June 10th, and Bitcoin has a price of $7,662. Well, who knows what the Bitcoin value is, but people are willing to buy and sell around that at that price. And we right now are looking at 1 hour chart, and I want to show you a couple of things. Now, for the next 1 to 2 days, I think Bitcoin will remain in this price range. I'll show you what I mean by this. And I do recommend for people to start using this great website tool. Right. So what do you and what do we see right now is a trend line, and it will stay on this line back. Actually, 7,652 right now is a nice buy zone if you're willing to go for have a probability to go for, let's say, around 4%, but it'll bring you a maximum, or you should stay around 2% in my recommendation. All right, so this is about the first thing. What do you see? Next thing, what could be the probable maximum what you can get? And again, I'm not predicting a long term, I'm predicting a short term position. So this is the area in which most definitely Bitcoin will bounce for the next days. But what can happen is a breakout. You see, Bitcoin has tested the support one time, two times, three times, four times, fifth times. So it gives a nice and clear indication that the people and traders and overall market is telling us that actually this is a great sign. This is a great indicator for a bull market. But still, if it breaks down, it can slightly go down to, and this would happen mostly with all the all the all the markets can go really quickly down to, oh my god, 6,000 if it breaks the support trend. 7,200, 6,800, but it has a high potential to go down to 6,000 and support itself at 5,600. So basically, doing buys at this area and hoping for a hold position to go to 10,000 is a high risk, trading. I do believe most traders and most institutions are looking for much safer. Sorry, I'm using touchscreen. It's not very. It's not responding to me the way I wanted to. Oh, so most traders, I believe, would only enter the market at 6,200 for a long-term positions. But anyway, getting to the end of the video, is nobody can actually give you what will happen in the next month or year. You have to look at have to look at the longer trend positions. But what can you tell is that there are a couple of buy zones you could place in which you could place in which you could place buy positions, and these are these trend lines. So on each of these green lines, like this one and this one, you could place a buy position there are actually some more. Wait, I'll show you. There is, in this area, there is also a support level. In these lines, you could place a buy positions. And so dividing risk would be placing on each of these levels a larger position if you are a long trader. And also, if you're a short trader, that doesn't matter because you can make trades at any moment. So right here at this moment, here is also a nice entry point for 2 to 3% target. So it really depends on the type of the strategy. So I still would recommend Bitcoin at this moment now to be a 2% target. But what can happen next is yet unknown. We have to watch whether it breaks out this trend line or it breaks down on this trend line. So if it breaks down on this trend line, so definitely buy positions around 6,800, but here at this peak bottom there is also a support level. So basically, if it breaks down this trend line, so you could wait 7,200 to 6,800 to be a buy position on a quick rebound. So so that's my review for today on Bitcoin. And keep in mind that to me, Bitcoin is like an indicator for other markets. So if you stay focused, if Bitcoin is trending still around 7,600 to 8,000, so it's a nice buy position for other coins that are trending at that moment. So stay tuned for other videos and subscribe, and I'll be doing more and more videos daily or weekly. So see you guys.